going to start this meditation with asking you to allow yourself time and space to relax. Sit yourself in a comfortable chair or lay yourself on the sofa or bed. And when you're comfortable, I want you to take a nice deep breath in, filling your chest and your tummy. Hold, then gently breathe out, allowing your shoulders to relax. I want you to take another nice deep breath in, filling your chest and your tummy. Hold, and gently breathe out. I want you to take another nice deep breath in, filling your chest and your tummy. Hold, and gently breathe out, allowing your body to sink into the surface below you. Allow your breath to take its own natural rhythm. Allow your eyes to gently close, your toes uncurl, your arms to just lay loose, being aware of any tension held within your body. And your next gentle breath in, I want you to imagine pure bright white light flow in through your breath. As this white light flows down through your body, down through your chest, your tummy, all the way down your legs, all the way down to the tips of your toes. See this white light fill your toes one by one as it gently works its way up through your feet into your ankles. See this pure bright white light flow from your ankles up through your calves into your knees, from your knees all the way up to your hips, from your hips into your tummy, from your tummy into your chest. See this pure bright white light go up into your shoulders, down your arms, into your fingertips, filling them one by one. See this pure bright white light flow from your hands to your wrists, up into your elbows, and from your elbows into your shoulders. See this pure bright white light flow up into your neck as it goes down the length of your spine to your tailbone, filling your lower back, mid-back and higher back. See this white light flow through your organs, your muscles, your tissues and your veins. See this white light flow up through your neck, into your face, into your jaw, your cheeks, your nose, your eyes, your ears, filling your brain with pure bright white light. Now I want you to gently glance down your body, and any grey or dark areas, just gently breathe this pure bright white light into this area. And when your body's glowing this beautiful bright white light, as you gently breathe out, see this white light flow from your breath as it wraps itself around the whole entire outside of your body, from the top of your head all the way down to the soles of your feet. Now I want you to see this pure bright white light flow 6 foot in front of you, behind you, above you, below you, to the right and to the left. Allowing your body to completely flow with pure, bright, white light. I want you to go to your heart space in the middle of your chest. And as you visualize or feel this area, I want you to feel a ripple of unconditional love. And I want you to feel this ripple down from your heart space, down through your chest, through your tummy, down through your legs, all the way down to the soles of your feet. And when this ripple of unconditional love touches the soles of your feet, I want you to see it ripple all the way back up through your legs, your tummy, your chest, back up through your throat, up into the top of your head, and ripple gently back down into your heart space. And from your heart space, I now want you to see it ripple out through your body as it ripples 6 foot in front of you, behind you, above you, below you, to the right and to the left. Feel this ripple of unconditional love as it ripples within you and outside of you. A wonderful ripple of unconditional love. Now I want you to go back to your heart space. And as you do so, I want you to see 2 silver cords. I want you to take the first silver cord as we take it down through your heart space, down through your tummy, down through your legs and out of the soles of your feet. We're going to take it all the way down through Mother Earth, through the clay, the soil, the stones. And right in the center of Mother Earth is a beautiful pulsating heartbeat. And I want you to connect your silver cords to the center of Mother Earth's beating heart. On the count of 3, we will connect. 1, 2, 3, connect. And as you do so, feel this surge of unconditional love as it ripples up this silver cord all the way up to your body. And as we gently follow this silver cord of unconditional love, feel the ripple as it ripples up through Mother Earth, all the way up to the soles of your feet, up your legs, up through your tummy, and up into your heart space. Next, we're going to collect the second silver cord. This one we're going to take up through your chest, up through your throat, up through the top of your head, all the way up through to the top of the sky. And you will find one shiny star brighter than all the rest. And this is your highest self. And when you find this bright shiny star, I want you to connect your silver cord into the beautiful heartbeat of your higher self. And on the count of 3, we're going to anchor this silver cord in. 1, 2, 3, connect. And as you stand upon your star, looking down upon your earthly body, I want you to feel this ripple of unconditional love as we follow it up the cord, as we go all the way down through the sky, all the way down through the top of your crown, down through your throat and back into your heart space. feel this immense feeling of unconditional love. And I want you to visualize this beautiful figure of 8 that comes from your heart space all the way up to your higher self, back down and round through your heart space and back down to Mother Earth and back up through your heart space. An unconditional flow of unconditional love that's there all the time. Allow yourself to just feel this beautiful unconditional love. And as you do so, I want you to feel a beautiful purple flame flicker at the soles of your feet as it flickers all the way up through your body, as it cleanses, clears any negativity, releasing any fear, worry and stress. Allow yourself to be completely submerged in unconditional love. I want you to know that this feeling of unconditional love is there unconditionally. All you have to do is place your hand upon your heart, close your eyes and feel the ripple of unconditional love as it ripples within you from the top of your crown down to the soles of your feet, above and beyond. I want you to imagine you're standing in a beautiful lush green field. And as you do so, feel the vibration of Mother Earth below your feet. Feel the sun beating down on your body and feel the warmth. Hear the birds in the sky. Feel the warmth of the breeze and sun on your body. And hold on to this beautiful feeling of unconditional love. Now I want you to place your hand upon your heart and breathe this unconditional love. And I want you gently and slowly to become aware of the surface below you. As you take another deep breath in, as you feel the oxygen run round your body, cleansing, clearing and uplifting. And in your own time, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed, uplifted, cleansed and cleared, with a wonderful feeling of unconditional love vibrating through your whole entire body and aura. Have a wonderful day.